and welcome to today's daily science revision task, which is to produce a flashcard on potable water. Pure water, also known as purified water, is water from a source that has removed all of its impurities. Distilled water is the most common form of pure water. Pure water can be purified using a carbon filter, a microporous filter, or using ultraviolet oxidation. Some places use a combination of purification processes. Drinking water, also known as potable water or improved drinking water, is water that is safe to drink or to use in food preparation without the risk of acute or chronic health impacts. Desalination is a process that removes minerals from saline water. More generally, desalination refers to the removal of salts and minerals from a target substance in the soil, desalination, which is an issue for agriculture. Seawater is desalinized to produce pure water that can be drunk. Distillation is a process of separating the component substances in a liquid mixture by selective evaporation and condensation. Distillation may result in essentially complete separation, or it may be a partial separation that increases the concentration of selected components in the mixture. So, in distillation of seawater, the water would be evaporated off, so the water could be collected and the salt would be left behind. Desalination is a process that removes minerals from saline water. There are two main ways that this can be done. So, membrane desalination process involves salt water being forced through membrane sheets at high pressure. The membrane sheets are designed to catch the salt ions, which leaves the salt ions behind, and the water is allowed to pass through. Thermal desalination processes works in a similar way to the Earth's natural water cycle, so the water is heated, evaporated and collected. Distillation is a process of separating component substances by evaporation and condensation. So you may be asked to describe an experiment using it. So a distillation experiment would involve heating water in a round bottom flask. That would evaporate. It would be cooled down using the condenser, and pure water could be collected at the end. Hopefully this video should have helped you complete your daily revision task. Please subscribe so you can keep up to date with other videos to help with your daily revision tasks. You can follow me on Facebook or follow me on Twitter to help you keep up to date.